Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or resolve Monopoly Go Force Stop. To know how to fix or resolve Monopoly Go Force Stop, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to this window of Monopoly Go and you will enter. Here in this list of app info you will click on Force Stop and you will click OK. Then we click on storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will go to uninstall your app, and you can uninstall, then you can install again your application, and you can fix your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.